Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning for watching this. Thank you. And today I want to practice word speaking by doing speaking for informal with me, Selvi Satika Pratiwi and
Nuraini Fauzia.
Okay. Hi, how are you today?
I'm good.
Did you often do exercise in a weekend?
Sometimes, once or 2 weeks. How about you?
Once a week. What kind of exercise did you get?
I have a workout. How about you?
I do badminton. It was cool. Are you fun with that?
Yes, I really like it because I played with my friend and sometimes I'm watching YouTube tutorials.
Did you do your workout at home?
Yes.
Is it inside or outside?
Inside.
Especially in my room.
And especially.
Okay, thank you for the conversation. This is a good conversation. Nuraini Fauzia, thank you very much. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.